Hi friends, Nicole Vincent here. Today we are checking out this organic Ceylon black pepper that was sent to me as a gift to check out and share with you. Now, if you see the word Ceylon, that means it's from Sri Lanka, and the black pepper from Sri Lanka is amazing. So if you're ready to up level anything you're going to use black pepper for, this is for you. So nice, huge bag. This is going to last you for a really long time. And this easily replaces like any normal black pepper you would be using. This is just, it's going to taste better. And this is organic and it is just absolutely beautiful. It smells so good, but watch out. You don't want to inhale too strong because you might sneeze. But let's check out the quality of this pepper.
So check out how fine this is. Oh, it's so fine and so good. It's all over my hands, but it is a really nice fine powder. Let's fill up our pepper shaker. Use a little funnel. This is super fine, so you just want to be careful so you don't breathe it in too much and start sneezing. Oh my gosh, this just smells so good. So nice.
I hope you enjoy this as much as I do.